So this is room 930, and it is the diplomatic suite at the Raffles Dubai. By the way, if you'd like a free copy of the Top Flight Family Travel Guide to Kid-Friendly Dubai, just go to topflightfamily.com/go Dubai. Many thanks to Raffles Dubai for hosting us on this trip. So let me first show you over here. We've got a little powder room. Got your sink, got your bathroom, and here is the main living area. So as you can see, got a huge living dining area. Those are our girls there watching their YouTube videos. Got wraparound windows. There's 2 couches. Right now one of the couches is made up as a bed. And then we brought in this rollaway bed for our girls. So over here, we've got a tea and coffee area. Got your mini bar, snacks. Got some soft drinks, wine, champagne in the fridge. Got a tea kettle down there, cups and mugs. And this is the entertainment system. So we've got a TV, got a Bose sound system as well. So lots of living room space.
And we're watching Netflix.
Yes, got a dining area. And this is the bedroom. So first you've got your office area here. Got a nice spacious desk. And got some storage then back there for documents. There's also a safe actually in here, which I will show you. Got your safe here. And over here you've got another little seating area. And then you've got your super duper king size bed. And this bed is so large that even Serge, who is 6'2", and whose feet usually hang off the edge of every bed, his feet actually fit on here, so he's very excited. And you've got your little bench here. And then in here is the closet space. So tons of storage. You've got your upper shelf here where we put our book bags. Lots of hangers, and then you've got 3 big drawers here, as well as a cubby. And then on this side, we've got a little makeup table. And here is the bathroom. So first of all, deep, beautiful soaking tub with these gorgeous lanterns on either side. Really, really pretty. And this is the sink area, double vanity, which is always useful. And then you've got your toilet and bidet, which is sort of standard here in Dubai. Pretty much every bathroom we've gone to has a bidet as well. And then this shower is amazing. You've got the handheld shower, and then you also have the rain shower up top. Both are really fantastic. The handheld especially it feels very, like the water pressure is great, but at the same time it feels really soft. And then you've got a bench, which is really useful, especially for ladies when we need to shave our legs. here we've got a nice big TV facing the bed and this beautiful cabinet. And let's check out the balcony, which is an amazing feature of the suite. So this is a pretty spectacular view of the Dubai skyline. You can see the Burj Khalifa right there. A perfect view of it. And this view is beautiful in the day, but it's even better at night. And got this great seating area here. Got an outdoor dining option if you wanted to take your dinner outside. And you can actually access the balcony here through the living room as well, or through the bedroom. Yeah, this is definitely. So one of the best features in this room is that you can open and close the curtains automatically. So here we are opening up the curtains, and yeah, it's especially fantastic because when they're closed and when you come back into the suite, then they automatically open up like this. So you can enjoy that amazing Dubai skyline. All right, hope you enjoyed this room tour. Again, this was room 930 at the Raffles Dubai. It's the Diplomatic Suite. And as you can see, it's a great option for that special occasion, or it's also great for families because the sofas can be turned into beds, and they can also bring in rollaway beds if you need that extra space. Bye. To see more from this trip, click the link to watch our complete Dubai travel vlog. Top Flight family received complimentary accommodations, meals, and spa treatments.